Hey, what's going on, guys? Eric here from Eric and Myles. Today we're going to be shooting Fujifilm Fujicolor Superior Extra 200, I think. Yeah, so it's just 200 ISO film. I was recommended to do this, and so yeah, here's the video.
Bardo.
Alright, so sorry this video was filmed on my phone. Recently been having some trouble with my actual camera, so I gotta do with what I got, you know. Overall, I really like this film. I still think the 400 ISO version is better, but I've also just shot a lot more of the 400 ISO. If you notice, there's like a weird magenta tint over a lot of the shots. I'm not sure if that was just with my exposing, or if that's like normal with this film, but you know, you can get through it. You can adjust that in editing. I didn't edit any of these shots because I wanted to show you what it's like out of camera. When you edit it, you can make the shots look a lot better than what they are right now. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I got more film videos coming out. Sorry I haven't been super active with the film recently. I've been really busy with work and a bunch of stuff going on in my personal life. I still have to edit the last episode of Backcountry Boys, so not really sure how long that's gonna take, but yeah. That's pretty much it for this video. If you guys liked it, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Consider sharing with a friend if you thought it was cool or helpful. See you guys next time. Peace.